Hi, my name is Hiba Hassan, and I have a lot of experience in the industry in the design field. So I come from a bachelor degree of graphic design with typography emphasis from Lebanon, and a master's degree in branding and identity from London. I started my career working in advertising, and then I switched to working with local companies and startups, and then as a in-house designer. So I have the spectrum of experience from big companies to small companies. And I worked on really, spotlight accounts like Burger King, Pizza Hut, Taco Bell, and some high-end fashion like DKNY and Petit Bateau, Al Yasra Fashion in general. Worked with automotive like Hyundai, and that was back in Kuwait. When I moved here, I started working as a freelancer with startup companies like Goal. The launching of Goal in Dubai Mall was all done by me. And after that, I came to a point where I realized that teaching is something I'm very passionate about. And this is where I started my journey with SAE as the head of the design and communication department. And I've been in this position for 7 years, graduating awesome design students that aim for very high professionalism and achieve quite a lot of awards. Like the Dubai Links, we've been shortlisting and winning the spotlight in that competition for the past 4 years. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about the curriculum at SAE. It's very unique in terms of we do not have exams, and while this is amazing, we have a much better way to assess students' skill sets. So we do project-based. Instead of you coming and memorizing the skill sets that you're supposed to know, we end up testing them with projects. So we teach you as you go. We use a lot of just-in-time learning. So it's like we follow the procedure used in the industry and pace it through milestones that will help us understand when the student have learned something or not. So as a student, the experience would be quite smooth, as if we were walking you through the procedure of how things work in the real world. As a woman in the industry, I really encourage women to join. It's a really rewarding field where you can go, very creative. It is not male-dominated, as some TV series have showed. It's welcoming and it encourages. The only currency is creativity, basically. So if you're excited about design and you have this creative twist, SAE is for you.